The most popular visual car modifications. If you are looking to give your car a bit of a facelift, you may be interested in the most popular visual car modifications. With so many options available, it can be difficult to decide which modifications will best suit your car and your individual style. From window tinting to custom wheels, there are many ways to customize your car's look. In this video, we will explore the most popular visual car modifications, their benefits, and how you can go about installing them. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for a future interesting video. Spoilers. When it comes to the most popular visual car modifications, one of the first things that come to mind is spoilers. Spoilers are a great way to give your vehicle an instant upgrade in terms of style and performance. These are usually made from fiberglass or plastic and are designed to reduce drag, increase stability, and improve aerodynamics. While most people think of spoilers as being purely aesthetic, they can also help improve your car's performance. Body kits. Body kits are one of the most popular visual car modifications, giving cars a unique and stylish look. Body kits typically involve changing or replacing exterior parts such as bumpers, side skirts, spoilers, and other parts. These parts are usually made from polyurethane, ABS plastic, or fiberglass materials and can come in many different colors, shapes, and sizes. With a body kit, you can give your car an aggressive, sporty look, or you can make it appear more luxurious. However, there are some things to consider before installing a body kit. Make sure to check with your local laws about what is legal for body kits, as some areas may have restrictions on what you can install. Additionally, make sure that the kit is designed for your make and model vehicle, and that the materials used are of high quality. Decals and graphics. Decals and graphics are one of the most popular visual car modifications because they are relatively easy to apply and can have a huge impact on the look of the car. Decals come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, so you can customize the look of your car according to your personal style. Many people use decals to customize the look of their cars with racing stripes, flames, tribal designs, and more. Graphics are similar to decals but are larger, often covering an entire side panel or hood. They are usually bolder in color and style than decals and can be used to create a unique look for your car. Popular graphic styles include custom designs, brand logos, and other eye-catching designs that will draw attention to your car. Window tinting. Window tinting is one of the most popular visual car modifications. Not only does it provide a sleek and stylish look to the car, but it also offers some important practical benefits. Window tinting blocks out UV rays from the sun and reduces heat gain in the interior of your car. It also improves privacy by making it harder for people to see into the car. There are many different types of window tinting products on the market, so it's important to do some research before making a decision. Some of the most popular window tinting options include dye film, metallic film, hybrid film, and ceramic film. Dye film tints are the most economical option, while ceramic films offer the best heat rejection and durability. Window tinting can be installed professionally or as a DIY project, although professional installation is recommended for the best results. The legal regulations around window tinting vary from state to state, so it's important to check the specific laws in your area before beginning your project. Wheels and tires. When it comes to visual car modifications, wheels and tires are at the top of the list. They make up a large portion of the overall look of your vehicle, so it is important to pick the right ones. Many people choose to upgrade their wheels and tires to improve the look of their car and make it stand out from the rest. What are the most popular visual car modifications when it comes to wheels and tires? One of the most popular visual modifications for wheels and tires is rims. Rims come in all shapes and sizes, so you can customize them to fit the look you're going for. They also make your car look more aggressive and give it a sportier feel. Another popular option is chrome rims, which have a unique reflective look that can turn heads no matter what you drive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. Thanks for watching.